plan is simple. We're heading up towards the Glacier Lake to set up base camp. We've got the gear, we've got the Jeep, and we've definitely got the cozy vibes covered. Okay, first things first, let's get organized.
Set up base camp here by the glacier. We need to get the tent secure.
All right, first step is laying out the poles. These aluminum alloy connectors snap right into place like this. Super sturdy for the high winds up here. Now we connect the main poles. You should hear them click securely into place as you build the frame structure on the platform. In these conditions, securing the main supports is critical. You want to ensure each pole is locked firmly into the base, but fully lift the fabric over the assembled poles. You have to work quickly before the wind catches it, then secure the corners tightly. This as taut as possible before threading the rope through the grommet. A rolling hitch knot works best to secure it to the platform. Then work our way around, ensuring the tension is even across the fabric before securing it to the wooden platform. Interior setup is crucial out here. We're getting the sleeping mats down first, then the 0-degree bags to stay warm on the glacier. All right, final stability check complete. Ropes are tight against the wind and the platform anchoring looks solid. We are secure for the night. Setting up camp here at the base of the glacier. This portable stove is essential for melting snow and cooking in these conditions.
Sometimes the greatest achievements lead to the greatest views. We made it. The mountain awaits.
Things first, we need to get the gear set up. I've got the kettle, my favorite enamel mug, and the hand grinder ready to go. Setting up the stove is simple. Soon we'll have hot coffee with our food. This are why we come out here. Just the mountains, the quiet snow, and a hot cup of coffee. Day in the wild. Hot coffee, fresh snow, and the open road waiting. Beats fresh eggs cooked right here on the glacier. Add the vegetables for some color and listen to that sizzle.
The quiet of the mountains. This is the perfect start to the day.
Out here you can't find anywhere else. Just the mountains and the quiet morning air. It centers you.
After a long day on the glacier, there's nothing better than getting inside. Proper rest is essential for tomorrow's climb.
There's a stillness up here you can't find anywhere else. Just the mountains and me. Disconnect and breathe it all in. The quiet out here is exactly what I needed.
But this is what we came for. Today, we finally attempt the crossing.
Just breathing in this air makes you feel alive. It's absolutely stunning out here. Chicken ready, we're gonna place it right here on the portable stove and let the magic happen. Camping journey, don't forget to subscribe to Ahmed Camping AI. More real adventures are coming in the next video. See you soon.